How to add stop loss on Trading 212. Follow the instructions. Open the Trading 212 app on your phone and log into your account if needed. Navigate to the Portfolio tab at the bottom of the screen where your active investments are listed. Tap on the specific investment for which you want to set a stop loss to view its details. Press the Sell button to begin creating a sell order for that investment. Choose the order type by tapping the order settings and selecting either stop or stop limit. If you select a stop order, enter the price at which you want the system to trigger a market sell. If you choose stop limit, enter both a stop price to trigger the order and a limit price as the minimum acceptable price. Enter the quantity of the asset you wish to sell using this order. Review all the order details to make sure everything is correct before continuing. Press the Review Order button and confirm the order to apply the stop loss to your position. Thank you for watching.